If you're gonna jump rope outside this winter, do you make sure you're taking all of the precautions possible? Pay attention to everything that I'm about to say in this video, as some of it might save your life if you're trying to get in shape to get that summer body this winter.
Speed up, I know these kids.
You know, with great ability comes great accountability.
That's not even how the saying goes,
Now,
Dad.
Watch out for hypothermia. Hypothermia, or abnormally low body temperature, can happen when you exercise in the cold. If you have shivering, fatigue, slurred speech, or loss of coordination, go see an emergency room doctor right away. Be sure to let someone know when you're going outdoors and make sure your phone is fully charged. Don't forget to dress properly to prevent hypothermia. Staying hydrated is paramount when working out in the cold, despite the misconception that decreased temperature means lower hydration needs. In cold weather, your body still expends energy and loses fluid through respiration and sweat. The dry air can also increase fluid loss through evaporation. Adequate hydration is crucial for maintaining overall performance, preventing muscle cramps, and supporting thermoregulation. Cold weather may dull the sensation of thirst, making it easy to overlook fluid intake. However, dehydration can compromise your ability to generate heat, putting you at risk of hypothermia. By ensuring adequate hydration, you optimize your body's ability to function efficiently in the cold, enhancing endurance and reducing the likelihood of fatigue or injury during your winter workouts. A new piece of equipment that I use to stay warm while I'm jumping is my heated jacket.
This is not some cute technology like the Iron Man suit.
There are several benefits to jumping rope in a heated jacket. Here are a few. You can exercise comfortably in chilly conditions because the jacket keeps your body warm, preventing excessive heat loss. Increased warmth improves muscle function and joint flexibility, reducing injuries associated with cold weather. A better workout experience can also make it easier to exercise longer and more efficiently. As a bonus, the jacket may increase blood circulation, helping muscles receive oxygen and nutrients better. This could lead to better results in terms of strength and endurance. Additionally, wearing a warm jacket can help to prevent hypothermia, a serious condition that can be fatal. Truth be told, I've been using that heated coat as just my winter coat, testing out in some of the coldest days that we've had thus far, and I haven't missed having a coat, to be honest. It's nice, you just hit the button and you can just regulate the temperature on the coat. It is super convenient and it's great for workouts. I truly believe that this coat will help me get in the best shape possible and reap some of the benefits that I stated in this video. And it can also help keep me safe and make sure that I'm not too cold while I'm working out outside. If you want one, you can get it in the links below. The way you dress can greatly affect the way that you work out in the cold. You can either be shivering or it can put you in pure danger if you don't have the correct gear.
And it's a no on the cape.
I think it's cool.
Take that off, it's disrespectful. Spider-Man doesn't wear a cape.
To jump rope safely and effectively in the cold, you must dress appropriately. Keep sweat away from your skin by wearing moisture-wicking base layers. Cold weather compression clothing is what I use to stay comfortable. I often wear sweatpants and sweatshirts as another layer when it's really cold. It's essential to strike a balance between warmth and mobility. You don't want clothing to constrict you too much, but you do want to stay warm. You can maintain this balance by ensuring your clothing allows for full range of motion during dynamic activities. Adjust your attire based on the specific weather conditions and always include reflective elements if you are exercising in low light. Now, if you made it to this part of the video, comment below saying I'm gonna get in the best shape possible this winter. And if you're curious about how jumping rope affects your body overall, check this video out right here. It'll tell you exactly that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.